KPIT Tech, over the last couple of days, that stock has actually been declining by almost 11 to 15%. There was a fresh brokerage note that came in. They were talking about whether 20% growth rate will be possible or not for the next 10 years. Margins, they were saying, is likely to dip because Street seems to be valuing a lot as far as growth of the ER&D segment is concerned. Overall, the valuations continue to be very punchy, 60 times FY25 earnings, and then Tata Tech IPO means more competition as well. So that's also putting a bit of a pressure on that stock. In fact, all of these questions is something that my colleague Aishwarya did post to Kishor Patil. He's the CEO and co-founder of the company. Listen into their chat.
So, I think last 4 or 5 years, last 12 to 13, 14 quarters, we had this consistent growth of 25 to 30%. And we have been in a position to improve margin bit by bit. And we had talked about a few years back about the margins between 18 to 20%. And now for this year, we have guided to grow beyond 37% plus. Also margin of 20%.
There was an analyst recommendation a couple of days back, and it said that you have strong fundamentals, but as compared to global peers, even domestic peers, your valuations are a little higher. So, and they have found a certain risks in terms of some of your clients, which is including PACCAR, insourcing their some of their techniques and businesses. So a word on that, some clarification on that if you could give us.
So first thing is many analyst reports are there. There are fundamental reports that puts us much ahead than where we are today also. So even there are analyst reports of 1600 or whatever it. So I don't want to go with there because I think they are more expert in their field and they take a call on the company. And fortunately, we have provided good growth over last 4 years. So this particular part about particular account and PACCAR is, I think people do comment without having a full information.
In terms of IPOs, this has been a year of bumper IPOs, and in your space, Tata Technologies has been the talk of the town right now. Do you gauge this kind of growing competition, especially in the software tech space? Yours is, of course, a niche service that you provide. Would you think that the competition here is getting tougher, especially in the IPOs, new IPOs that are coming?
So there are two ways of looking at it. First is the company has been there. It is existing company. So already they are doing their business. We are doing our business. So first I said there is enough space for everyone. So the land of the law is there. I mean, we are doing our business, they are doing their business, so that is not there. On the investors side, I think there are many companies and investors have to make their choices. We have a track record and we are comfortable with that. I'm sure investors will take their own take. So there is a scope for everybody according to the way they have performed in the past as well as in future.